Hello guys, this is from Mrs. Abbie and welcome to my pink plant collection. And guys, these plants are beautiful and I want you to stay and watch until the end of the video because I'm going to be showing you exactly how beautiful these pink plants are and how they just transform a room. And I never thought that they would be so beautiful in a room until I actually did it. And so I'm going to be introducing you to 8 of my pink plants. Of course, I have other pink plants. And pink is my favorite color, and these plants are beautiful. And what I like about these plants that I'm displaying now, all of these are easy to maintain, easy to care for. This one right here is called a Chinese evergreen. It is big. It is growing. I've had it for almost a year. And look how big it has gotten. I have other videos with this plant in it, and you can see how small it was when I got it. I'm going to be repotting this plant soon, and I'm probably going to be making about 4 plants from this one plant right here. And these Chinese evergreens, only thing you need to do for it is to water it, and you let the water drain through the drainage hole, and you don't let it sit in the water, and you place it either in a low light area or a medium light area, and do not place it in direct sunlight. And I also are going to be placing these Chinese evergreens in the space, the pink plants. And this is a Chinese evergreen here, we just repotted. And also that one there was repotted from the same plant. And I have others downstairs that came from that same pot that I replanted. And the care for these 2 here are exactly like this one here. And one in the middle is called an aglaonema. It is also a Chinese evergreen, and it is beautiful, and it needs to receive the same type of care that this one here and that Chinese evergreen there receive. These pink plants are very beautiful. Of course, you all already been introduced to my Photonia plants, my Photonia pink plants, and they are gorgeous and beautiful. They're easy to maintain too. They only need to be watered when the plant starts to droop. And you do not let it sit in water. And you place them either in the low light or medium light area of your home. And that's why I love these beautiful pink indoor plants, because they are beautiful. So just stay tuned, and I'm going to be showing you what I did with these beautiful plants so you can see how vibrant it made the space I'm about to